Getting fit and staying healthy, New Year's resolutions are easy to make.
To go to the gym more. We both belong to a gym and we haven't gone very often, so actually to get there and to use our membership.
Well, I'm going to try to eat less chocolate, maybe.
But all those promises can be hard to keep.
We've got 5 kids to take care of and work, and so it's hard to find time for yourself to exercise when you're not, doing things with them and just working, etc.
While the beginning of a new year can mean a good time for starting fresh, Sylvia Clement, owner of Fitness Express Manhattan, says sometimes we can get overwhelmed by setting our expectations too high.
Some people are so excited they want to come every day, and so then if they don't make it every day, then they think, oh, I've blown it.
But Clement says there are things you can do to stay motivated, and it doesn't have to be all or nothing. Her top tip is coming up with a workout schedule at least 3 days a week and sticking with it.
I think one of the most important things is making it part of your schedule, whether it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and a weekend day, and write it down, make it part of your calendar, and just stick to it no matter what. Make it your top priority, just as important as brushing your teeth in the morning.
Other things you can do if you're strapped for time, a gym like Clement's with an express workout might help. Similar to gyms like Kerr's, they've got a 30-minute workout where you can rotate around to different equipment. Clement says making appointments to work out with friends and finding routines that are fun for you also helps.
It has to be fun. If it's not fun, I won't stick to anything. And coming here is actually fun. It was the only gym I walked into where people were actually smiling while they were pumping iron and doing these contraptions.
Gym member Audrey Berlin is probably one of the best examples you can find when it comes to sticking to a New Year's resolution. A brain tumor and breast cancer survivor, since last year, she's lost more than 60 pounds. She says the key is not to think of getting fit as just one big resolution, but a day-by-day commitment.
I am so grateful to be alive and healthy. That's all I think about. That's all I care about. And that's why I stick to whatever I do.
Fellow gym members tend to agree.
The more you come from a place of love and you go, this is exactly what my body wants to do today. This is what I need to do. So it's kind of an everyday, in the moment kind of commitment or recommitment. Otherwise it won't stick.
Everybody agrees New Year's resolutions are hard to keep, especially when it comes to your health. So if you've already broken yours, just keep in mind that you don't have to wait until 2007 to start again. In Manhattan, Kathy Drexel, New York 1.